Alright, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Call Me Ush. Um, this is my channel. I'm starting it. I'm gonna be doing trading tips, trading advice, just the whole journey. So I'm starting off, I've been learning for about 5 months now. Uh 26 years old, Cleveland, Ohio, just on this journey. So I'm bringing y'all with me. I think it's a cool way for me to just stay active with it. You know what I'm saying? Hold myself accountable because I need to release videos. So that's gonna make me, stay in the light for that. So yeah, it's just a video, just introducing myself. And today on the agenda, I was gonna do some back testing. It's currently Saturday, May 14th. Uh, I've been doing the ICT 2022 membership. That boy is smart. He be knowing what he talking about for sure. Like, I recommend anybody go to ICT Trading, the Inner Circle Trader, and go watch his videos, especially the mentorship. The mentorship is the bread and butter. The other videos go deep into the analysis part, and those are very useful too. But I will start with the mentorship for sure. Like, you gonna learn the basics of just advanced technical analysis, and yeah. So I'm excited for this journey. Hopefully, we can grow this channel, get a nice audience, and maybe grow a community, a new community in the trading world for new people and new traders. And sorry about that, I got a text. So that's what we about to do. So let's do some back testing. I'm gonna show y'all little things that I've been learning over these last couple months, and we excited. Let's do it. All right, y'all. So we about to hop into it. So right here, we looking at GU, British pound versus US dollar. So this was yesterday, Friday's trading. So I took a trade here. I won. I was predicting that it was gonna shoot back up into this fair value gap right here. That's something that you learn on the ICT mentorship. I recommend you go watch that. So we've been bearish the whole time for like the last 2 months, for real. Bearish. It was this fair value gap right here that I was looking at a couple of days before. Damn, what happened? My fault. It was this fair value gap that I was looking at a couple of days before, right? So boom. As soon as it hit it, I knew that we was gonna go down, right? I expected it to maybe hit it a little more and go fill it up a little more, but whatever. It came to the right place. So boom, it hit the gap. I think that was what, like Tuesday, or yeah, Monday or Tuesday. Hit the gap again on what, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, yeah, so Wednesday. So as soon as it hit this gap on Wednesday, and I seen it was dropping down and created this fair value gap right here between these two, my initial reaction was, okay, it's going the next day on Friday, it's gonna shoot back up in here and then maybe move down a little more. So the opening price is right here, and I expected it to go up, so I was looking for buys this day. If I didn't see any buys, or it wasn't clear, I wasn't gonna try to trade nothing. I was gonna wait until this got filled and then shoot back down, because it's another gap over here that I expected to go to. I think it's gonna keep moving down since the US dollar is going up, and I think it's gonna hit this gap right here. It's a big gap right here. So yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go down to 1 hour. So as you can see on the 1 hour, for boom, it had a little rally, created a whole bunch of liquidity. That's how I know, or I don't know, but that's why I think it's more likely to go back down when it start back up on Monday. Because look at this, It's just too clean. It's too clean. Got all this money down here, even though these people got stopped out. But it's just too clean. It's money sitting right here to bring us down. Big wick that needs to be filled. Gap right here. It's gonna go down. It might go up a little more, like I said, but I think it's cool. And then I think it's gonna shoot down. Let's go down to the 15-minute chart. Alright, so this is what I was actually looking at. When I go in to the trades, first thing I do is what I just did, check the daily chart, see what it's most likely to do. I either do that the night before, or like around, like, I get up at like 6:37 in the morning, so like from like 7 to 7:30, I'm just checking everything, making sure that I'm gonna be on the right side of the market for the day. So then boom, it went up. Well, let's see, let's start. I like to draw out the price from the open, right? The opening price right here. Oh, there we go. Alright, so boom. So you see that it dropped down, right? I also, before we even get into that, I like to label mine from 8 to 12. 12 to 1 is considered lunch. And then from 1 to right here. Boom. Alright. So we got that. So boom, I don't take no trades for real until after 8, like 8:30ish. That's when I expect to see some type of format or entry form. So boom, start the day off. It's rallying, consolidating, I guess you could say, but I think of that as just accumulating orders for real. It's a little manipulation to the upside. Even though I plan on it going up, it's got people thinking, okay, it's about to rally up. Oh no, it's breaking down. It's breaking down. So boom, it's getting people on the fence. You know what I'm saying? People seeing this as support. I mean resistance. My fault. People seeing this as resistance, so they going short. Like, oh, it's not breaking up. This resistance is gonna be a short day. That's how they get their money, because they want to take it down to a quote unquote discount market to take it back up to a premium market, right? So boom, start of the day, you come out, or the price starts, and it's forming some sort of resistance. So boom, resistance, it drops down. 5:45, it drops down, keeps going lower, right? Got people thinking that, okay, it's gonna be a bearish day. It was bearish the last couple of days. It's gonna be bearish, right? So boom, after I get here at about 9:15, I'm waiting because I'm still on the buy side. I'm like, it's gotta go back up. It didn't reach to the fair value gap yet, which is labeled right here. It didn't reach there yet, so I'm like, it's gonna go back up. If it don't go back up, I'm just not gonna take no trades. So around this time, I was toggling through like all the time frames. So I go from the daily to the hour to the 15, and then I toggle through the 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So we here, boom. You gotta break. This is structure right here. This is structure. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna draw that out. This is exactly what I was doing too. I wasn't actually drawing it out, but this is what I was seeing. I was calling this out in my head. Yes. Alright. So right here at 10 o'clock, I'm patient. I'm still looking for buys. I'm like, I don't see any buys yet. You know what I'm saying? But here, I seen that it was rallying up. Boom. Strong bullish candle right here. Came back down to a bearish candle, which would be like a bullish order block. And it came up. Soon as it came up with this energetic candle again, I'm like, okay, it created the fair value gap again, as he teaches on his channel, which indicates that this is my time to getting in. So as soon as I seen this, I'm watching each of these candles form. As soon as I seen this, I'm like, okay, so when it shoot back into here, I'm automatically putting in a buy order, because it's money sitting right here that hasn't been touched yet, and this money sitting up here that hasn't been touched yet. Then we got this overall goal of getting into this fair value gap on the daily. So boom, I'm like, okay, I know that it's gonna go up there. So I put my order in for right, where is it? I put my order in for right here. As soon as this candle wicked in, I was there. I put my stop like a little right here. I think I did like a 15 pip stop just to be safe. Even though I was real confident in this, I was just trying to be safe, on the safe side. As soon as it wicked into there, I was good. Alright, so I seen it wick in, I seen it go up. As soon as it hit this level, I put in like a couple orders. I think I put in like 3 orders, different lot sizes. I took my biggest one off right here, right? And then as soon as it reached this level right here, filled this gap in to right here, I took another order off, and then I let the last one ride up into here. As soon as it got in here, I took that off. So that was a pretty successful day to me, and this is how I annotate the charts. Because another thing that was helpful during this day, right? Because I had a losing day the day before. Had a losing day, and that was just me rushing, because like I'm kind of new to this. Or I'm not kind of, I am new to this. So I was rushing. I know what I'm looking for, but for me, it just be waiting and being patient enough to not just take any setup that just might fit what I'm looking for. More so, take the strongest setup that fits what I'm looking for, if that makes sense. So I had a losing day the day before, and before it was like around like 7:30. You know what I'm saying? I'm like not second guessing myself, but like, what is it doing? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's 7:30 and it's still, you know what I'm saying? Still trying to get into the groove of things or what I'm looking for. So I had went back and had checked my little trading log with different the different back testing things that I did probably like over like 50 to like 60 back testing logs, and I annotated them, and I looked at like about 5 of them, and I was just looking at setups like, okay, and it kind of reminded me and just kept me on pace for what I was looking for, and not lower my standards for my setup, you know what I'm saying, for my trade entry. It kept me making sure that everything was crisp and high probability. So this is how I annotate the charts. So for this trade, I would put right here entry. I usually take this off. Put the entry right there. Type in fair value gap right here. Entered trade 3 positions. Alright. Boom. I put that right there. You got the breaker structure we already in. Just so I can remind myself, we're looking for an energetic candle move to create a FEG right here. And that was that. Then boom, I usually label this as NY opening price 12 a.m. Wait, my fault, y'all. I usually use this. I used to write. Where is it? Right here. Right here. And I can label that as MY opening price 12 a.m. Alright. Alright, so then boom. You got this. I call this over here. I just try to label everything. You got buy side liquidity right here. Buy side liquidity. So it gets us down to a discount market right here. Took out these buyers. Buy side liquidity, took them out. So now smart money got their prices for a lower price because they took out all the people that was trying to buy. So they sold short, sold it back to these people in the form of buy side liquidity, taking them out the market for real, just to take it back up to sell it to people, to sell their buys that are long positions to people who was in long, which would be all the people up here. I mean, who was in short, all the people up here and the people up here. Right? So boom, waited. I usually put my key insights for the day. Key insights for, and I do daily bias is bullish. Expected to trade back into FVG on daily time frame. I always tell myself be patient. And I say don't be greedy. I always tell myself don't be greedy. And sometimes like I'll be having a good win as far as pips, as far as money, but then I just be getting greedy. I'll be like, it's gonna go up more, and I'm about to I gotta stop doing that. You know what I'm saying? Because I'll be having a good amount. I'll be up like 40 pips in a day, and I'll be like, nah, it's gonna go up to 60 pips. It's gonna go up to 70 pips. I stay in, boom, I done lost about another 20. You know what I'm saying? Like, I gotta just take my goal for the day. Set goals for yourself for the day as far as pips, as far as what you want to get out of the market. I don't really look at the money because I change my lot size depending on how confident I am in the trade. I don't never just over leverage, but I might up it a little bit just because I feel like, okay, this is a confident trade for me. Like I put on some nice size lot sizes for this one. Like my first lot size out of the 3 I took was decent because I felt very confident. Like I seen everything happening and it just felt very confident. It just made all type of sense. You know what I'm saying? It was just very clean. Like you got all of these levels that's clean right here, clean right here. This is clean. This is clean. It was just bearish the day before. We created a fair value gap. The likelihood of it going back into the fair value gap was very clean. Like everything just made sense. So I just put on some extra lot size for this trade and it worked out. It might come and bite me in the butt later down the line. I don't know. I told you I'm new, so I'm still learning. But it worked out again today, so it was good. I usually put where I take profit at 2, and then I'll be done. So I took profit right here. As soon as it came to here, I seen it over here. I took profit. And I label this right here as first TP. No. Damn. Alright, there we go. Alright, we're gonna leave it because it's getting irritating. Alright, first TP. I don't like that. There we go. Alright, first TP was there. Then I took my second TP when it hit like right here. It was like right here on this wick. somewhere around this area. It's pretty close though, I ain't gonna lie. It was around here. I took some more off here. Alright, we're not gonna even keep playing with it. It's acting funky. So we took a second. TP right here. And then I let my third one rise up into here. Soon as it hit this, I was out. Soon as it hit this, I was done. I was like, okay, that was a great day. And I ended my Friday on a great note. This was my third, or we're gonna put last TP. TP stands for take profit, by the way, if you was wondering. Basically, when I exited my trade right here. First time, second time, third time. So boom. That was the day. I go up to this button right here and I click save chart image. I already got it saved to going into my folder on my desk called my daily log, and I just log all my photos there, and that's it. And whenever I'm confused or I just want to just get a refresher on what things could possibly look like and what a good setup and confident winning setup for me looks like, then I go and I just look back on my pictures that I took from here, and it works, you know what I'm saying, to keep my mind fresh, keep me focused on what I'm looking for, and not just settle for anything just because some days, you know what I'm saying, you just want the money, you know what I'm saying. So I'm learning still. It was a great video. I feel like I'm gonna continue to just produce videos, can produce my thoughts and opinions on things, you know what I'm saying. Hopefully people can, link up in this channel, and you know what I'm saying, we can just create a better community for each other, helping each other out, sharing ideas, and you know what I'm saying, making money. So that's it, y'all. Peace.